I feel like when you go into the hairdressers and ask for a fringe, they should like warn you.
Oh.
So pine needles are an amazing ingredient and also a wonderful medicinal herb. They're absolutely packed with vitamin C. So today we're going to make something a bit more fun and turn these delicious pine needles into some squishy vitamin C rich jelly sweets. To make your pine needle jelly sweets, you're going to start by making a really nice strong pine needle tea. So what you do is you chop off these little woody top bits. If you're having a tea, just wait 3 minutes, stir in some honey and enjoy. But if you're making the gummy sweets, you're going to want to leave it to steep overnight to get all of the flavour and all of that good vitamin C. So once you've left it to steep overnight, you're going to want to activate your gelatin according to the packet instructions. You can also use a vegetarian version if you like. I would recommend using slightly more than it says on the packet so you get a nice firm jelly sweet set. So once you've stirred your gelatin in with your pine needle tea, you're going to want to use a dropper to pour into your moulds. You can get jelly bear moulds or you can just use ice cube moulds or whatever you've got, as long as they're soft silicone moulds. Once they're set, pop them out of their mould and roll them in granulated sugar so they look delicious and sparkly and squishy. Such a fun way to incorporate a really well-known wild food into your diet and get loads of vitamin C at the same time.